Sacramento County Sheriff Scott Jones has landed in a dispute with the state auditor's office after he released information this week about an unpublished audit examining his office's concealed weapons permit process. In a move rarely seen before a state audit release, Jones on Monday distributed a statement outlining points he felt reflected well on his office and attached a copy of his response to the audit findings. The sheriff, a Republican, used his response in part to suggest the audit was spurred by the political motivations of Assemblyman Kevin McCarty, D. Sacramento. In a letter sent Tuesday to Jones, State Auditor Elaine Howell alleged that Jones broke state law with the early release of audit information. She said her office repeatedly informed Sheriff's Department staff that releasing details about the audit before its publication was unlawful and asked his staff to refrain from discussing our work with any person. She also said the audit response Jones released Monday had language that was not included in his original response to the state auditor's office during the review period. Sign up today for a free 30-day free trial of unlimited digital access. Disclosure of substantive audit information poses the very legitimate risk that incomplete or inaccurate information will be relayed to the public and to decision makers, she said. The letter cites a government code that restricts California state auditors' staff from releasing audit information before it's been publicly published. A second law cited says that the restriction also applies to any publicly created entity that has assisted the office in the course of any audit or investigation or that has received a draft copy of any report or other draft document from the office for comment or review. Violations are considered misdemeanors. Jones was not available by phone on Wednesday as he was at an out-of-town conference and had poor cell phone coverage, said Department spokesman Sergeant Sean Hampton, but in a written response, Jones asserted the state law does not apply to him. Even a quick read shows that it doesn't apply to auditees, only to them, he wrote in a message Wednesday. Based on how the audit came about, I found it important to get my statement out. I did not publish the audit draft at all. The audit scheduled for release Thursday examines concealed carry weapon permitting in Sacramento County, San Diego County and one other unnamed county. Jones campaigned in 2010 on a pledge of granting concealed weapons permits to eligible applicants. When Jones entered office, only about 350 civilians were licensed to carry concealed handguns in Sacramento County. Between 2011 and 2016, that number climbed to nearly 8,000. In his Monday letter, Jones said the audit overall confirmed the propriety and integrity of the Sheriff's Department's concealed carry weapon permit system, adding that auditors could not find any permits that were issued improperly or contrary to law. Jones also criticized some of the auditor's findings, one of which claims the Sacramento County Sheriff's Office does not have adequate policies to ensure applicants' residency and background checks are properly documented, he wrote in his letter. He defended the Sheriff's Office, saying that policies, either written or verbal, are meant to serve as guidelines and are not applicable in every situation.